Kejriwal tells the poll panel that his remarks were made in public interest. This is because of the fact that there's legal trouble over his Yamuna poisoning remark. And Kejriwal went on to point out that it was in public interest and meant to highlight a legitimate civic concern. But Kejriwal has now been summoned by the Haryana court for hearing on February 17th. Let's tell you, Haryana's Chief Minister, Nayaab Singh Saini, upped the ante and took a sip from the Yamuna River. Nayaab Saini also accused the former Delhi CM of spreading panic among people for his political gains, but he didn't stop at that and went ahead and filed a defamation case against the AAP convener. Listen to what Saini said.
मैं आज पवित्र यमुना माता के चरणों में यहाँ पर आया हूँ। आप देख भी रहे हैं, मैंने यहाँ पर पानी का माँ यमुना के उस पानी का आचमन भी किया है। पानी बिल्कुल यहाँ से सही मात्रा में हम दिल्ली को दे रहे हैं। मैंने कहा कि वाटर रिसोर्स अथॉरिटी है, उन्होंने भी कल चेक किया है। जितना मात्रा यहाँ होनी चाहिए उतनी मात्रा यहाँ पर है, पानी स्वच्छ है। परंतु जब यहाँ से ये दिल्ली में जाता है, दिल्ली के बाद ये हमें पलवल फरीदाबाद में मिलता है, तो वो भयानक है। केजरीवाल साहब, आपको दिल्ली के लोगों और हरियाणा के लोगों से माफी मांगनी चाहिए।
And it wasn't just the same. What we do know is that in terms of how this is politically panned out as well, the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi also waded into the debate and challenged Arvind Kejriwal to drink Yamuna's dirty water just like he had promised years ago. Listen to what Rahul said.
केजरीवाल जी कहते हैं, कहा था उन्होंने कि मैं यमुना का पानी पीऊंगा। मैं चैलेंज करता हूं, केजरीवाल जी, जो आपने कहा था, ऐसी मीटिंग में जो कहा था, जो दिल्ली को आपने वायदा किया था कि मैं यमुना को साफ करूंगा और यमुना जी का पानी पीऊंगा, मैं आपको चैलेंज करता हूं, आज आप जाके यमुना जी का पानी पी लीजिए। आप दिल्ली की जनता को यमुना जी का पानी पिलाते हो, गंदा पानी पिलाते हो, आप साफ पानी पीते हो। मैं चैलेंज करता हूं, आज जाके यमुना जी का पानी पियो। उसके बाद अस्पताल में आपसे मिलेंगे।
Meanwhile, Arvind Kejriwal has submitted proof to the Election Commission. In his 14-page letter, he has reiterated that the raw water received from Haryana is highly contaminated and is unfit for human beings. Citing the Jal Board letter, the AAP convener has said that the contamination levels in the raw water are so high that the water treatment plants in the national capital are unable to process it to bring it within safe and permissible limits. Taking that across to Kritika Tiwari, my colleague who joins me this morning. Kritika, very good morning to you. Given the fact that it's very evident, the timing of this, we're looking at the back and forth, but legal trouble in a way setback for Kejriwal, because we're given to understand, despite him calling it a legitimate civic concern of the poison charge to the poll panel, he has been summoned by the Haryana court on February 17th. Now, one aspect is, of course, what is happening legally speaking. The other being, this is a very serious allegations. You're looking at them bicker politically, but at the end of the day, it's also the citizens who have to make that choice in this election, because we know the ground reality, for whatever said and done, has been very toxic.
Well, absolutely, Nivedna. Now, as far as the legal aspects of this entire discourse is concerned, the summon that is in the Haryana court pertains to the Disaster Management Act. This was filed by the cabinet ministers of the Haryana government yesterday. And they allege that a rumor is being spread in order to create panic amongst both the residents of Haryana as well as that of Delhi. Now, in the letter that Arvind Kejriwal has written to the Election Commission in response to the allegations of violations of the Model Conduct Code as well as the Representation of People's Act and other relevant acts under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita pertaining to spreading enmity between groups and spreading of rumors. He has again maintained that his statements are protected under the freedom of speech and expression right, as well as he's only pointing out a bigger public health crisis. What he's also writing down in his letter is that even the Delhi Jal Board CEO, the letter written by her, also talks about how there is pollution in the upstream of the Wazirabad barrage. Now, what that means is before the water comes into the barrage, as the water flows from Haryana to Delhi, untreated sewage is being mixed, and this is what the team of Arvind Kejriwal is also pointing out in their response that has been written to the Election Commission. In fact, at the end of the letter, he is also requesting an intervention from the Election Commission so that this health crisis can be brought to a fruition. Now, what is happening on the ground is that it is in fact pointing figures to a bigger issue of ammonia pollution. But so far, all we are seeing is political bickering. There is in fact a lack of any strong policy change, because remember, even the NGT had said that about 83% of Sonipat's industrial areas have been polluting, have been caught releasing affluents into the Yamuna River, into untreated sewage into the drains, which later leads into the Yamuna River. So there are multiple loopholes here that a lot of committees are looking into, but
there
as you had
are, of
rightly
course,
said, so
loopholes.
far no results.
Right, you're absolutely right, Kritika, with putting that into perspective for us with the allegations and how we can also view that from a different prism, because at the end of the day, these are serious charges that are being leveled. But for the moment, Kritika, we'll have to leave the conversation at that. Of course, we'll keep coming back to you to keep us ahead. But for the moment, let's